Hello everyone, today let us see some numerical problems on beats. The first problem goes like this. A tuning fork arrangement, that is a pair of tuning forks, produces 4 beats per second with one fork of frequency 288 cycles per second. A little wax is placed on the unknown fork and it is then produces 2 beats per second. What is the frequency of the unknown fork? Children, these type of problems are repeatedly asked in all types of exams. They ask in board exams also, as well as in all competitive type of exams like NEET, JEE, mains, etc. Now, when they give such kind of problems, you have to see first which tuning fork has a wax or which tuning fork is filed. So like that you have to think very carefully. If at all they have put some wax on that, then its mass is increased and its frequency goes on decreasing. So its frequency decreases. A little wax is placed on the tuning fork, then immediately its frequency decreases. Suppose if they filed the tuning fork, its mass decreases, so its frequency increases. So remember these kind of problems to be careful which frequency is increasing, which frequency is decreasing. Now here the first tuning fork, you can see it has a fixed frequency 288 cycles per second, but the second one has some little wax on that after some time. Initially it was making 4 beats per second. Now after placed some wax on that, it is producing 2 beats per second with the first one. So, what is the unknown frequency? How to solve this? Unknown frequency is equal to known frequency plus or minus beats frequency. That is 288 plus or minus 4, which is equal to 292 or 284 hertz. Okay. Out of these two you have to select now. Now, if we consider 2 beats per second, if you take 288 plus or minus 2, that is after putting the wax, it will be 286 or 290. On loading with wax, just now I told you, the frequency decreases. So the beat frequency also decreases by 2. So the new frequency of unknown after loading the wax must be 290. Therefore, the original unknown frequency must be 292 cycles per second, which is the higher one, because after putting the wax it comes down. Previously it must be 292, now it must be 290. Let me take you to the other problem. A second problem, a tuning fork of unknown frequency gives 4 beats with a tuning fork of frequency 310 hertz. It gives the same number of beats on filing. Find the unknown frequency. Now, first one is 310, another is unknown. In the beginning, both of them together give 4 beats per second, but after that, after filing the second one, that is the unknown one, again they both together give 4 beats per second. In such kind of problems, what to do? Same thing, unknown frequency is equal to known frequency plus or minus beat frequency, that is 310 they have given in the problem, plus or minus 4, then it comes to 314 hertz or 306. Now if you see, as I told you in the beginning, out of these two possible frequencies, one must be the initial value and the other must be the final value. As frequency increases on filing, therefore initial unknown frequency must be 306, because after filing it must have gone to 314. Okay, so now let's see another problem, that is problem number 3. A tuning fork of unknown frequency when sounded with one of frequency 288 hertz gives 4 beats per second, and when loaded with a piece of wax again gives 4 beats per second. How do you account for this, and what was the unknown frequency? These two problems, second and third, were asked in JEE. So these are very important. Now let us see the same type of solution. Unknown frequency is equal to known frequency plus or minus beats frequency. That is 288 plus or minus 4, that is equal to 292 or 284. As the beat frequency remains unchanged even on loading the tuning fork, of the two possible frequencies, one must be initial frequency and the other must be the final frequency. But as they have mentioned in the problem, that is, a piece of wax is placed or loaded on the second one. That means after loaded with the wax, its frequency goes down. So the initial must be the higher one, which is 292. So but the frequency of the tuning fork decreases on loading, therefore initial unknown frequency must be 292 Hz. Okay. Thanks for watching. God bless you all and grant you all great success in the coming exams. Let's meet with another video in the next YouTube video. Bye.